Hello doers and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to create and use AI default prompts in Odoo. These prompts help standardize how AI generated content is written across your database, ensuring consistency in tone, structure, and messaging. AI default prompts are especially useful when multiple users rely on AI features for writing emails, descriptions, or internal notes. Instead of rewriting instructions each time, you can define reusable prompts that automatically guide the AI. Let's take a look at how to create and use default prompts, shall we? We are going to start inside of the AI application. We're going to click up here to configuration, and then we're going to select default prompts. So this is where all of Odoo's built-in AI prompts are stored. Before we make any changes, let's quickly look at how these prompts are structured. So let's select one of them. We're going to pick Chatter Helper. All right, so this one is pretty interesting. Now, starting in 19.2, each default prompt can have multiple levels of instructions. At the top, you have the context, which is kind of like the start of everything. This gives the AI general guidance for how it should behave. It essentially explains the background for the task and tells the agent what their role is. For this task, the role is to assist the user with chatter correspondence. Then inside each prompt, you'll find individual buttons like summarize the chatter conversation right there. And we're going to click into that over here. So each button has its own prompt instructions that get sent to the AI when the button is clicked. So the prompt that we have over here provides more details on the exact tasks the agent needs to perform when the button is clicked. By including the instructions here, users can repeat the same requests without having to repeatedly write out the very detailed prompts like this one. All right, let's discard this. So the context sets the stage, and the button tells the AI exactly what action to take. I think it's time for us to update one of these. So we're going to select default prompts, breadcrumb up at the top, and this time we're going to select the text selector one. So this prompt is used whenever someone highlights text and asks Odoo's AI to rewrite it. Right now there's only one button, and it says rewrite selected text. Now let's add our own. So we're going to select add a line right below this. Okay, perfect. So for the title, we're going to pick this one, apply brand style. Perfect. Next, inside of the prompt field, I'm going to type, just kidding, I'm going to paste in my nice little prompt. Now we're going to give the AI instructions for how this button should rewrite text. I want to make sure that all of our content follows our brand guidelines. That way, we are making sure that things are consistent across all communications. So our prompt right now is telling it to rewrite this content using our company's professional but approachable tone, etc., etc. So this tells the AI exactly what kind of rewrite that we want. Once it's entered, you're going to select save and close. And that's it. Our new button is now ready to use. Okay, so I think it's time for us to go and test this. Let's head over to our Knowledge app over here. And once inside, we're going to open up our help workspace. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so we are working on building out our help content, but we want to make sure that we are maintaining a consistent voice. This article over here is off to a good start, but let's polish it up a bit. So we're going to open up our nice little intro paragraph right there. And then once that we have our nice little toolbar right there, we're going to select our AI icon. All right, perfect. So in the chatter window, we can see the two buttons. We have our apply brand style one, as well as the other one that says rewrite selected text. Let's click apply brand style right there. Okay, so Odoo now sends two things over to the AI. First, the text selector context, which tells it that we're rewriting selected text. Then our custom button prompt tells it exactly how to rewrite the text that we've given it. So at this point, we just kind of need to give it a moment to think right there. Give it a nice little refresh, and boom, would you look at that? Look at that new and improved version right there. Snazzy, right? And now all I have to do is hover over this new text right there, and you'll see we have this little icon that appears right there. And it happens to be the copy icon. So you want to click it, and now you can replace the existing text over there. The tone is more polished, more consistent, and better aligned with the company's voice, which means that at this point, you don't really have to worry and think about it. We just paste our new one in. So now imagine doing this across dozens of emails, proposals, or support replies. Instead of reminding everyone how to write, the prompt does it for you. And that's how easy it is to customize AI default prompts in Odoo. By adding a button to an existing prompt, We created a simple way for users to apply company style guidelines in just one click. This saves time, reduces manual editing, and it helps keep communication consistent across your entire team. And now that you know how these prompts work, you can start tailoring them for a wide range of business needs. Until next time, Odooers, go grab a snack.